In this video, I'm going to show you how to do mindfulness meditation. It's a simple technique that can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression in just 15 minutes per day. Make sure to keep watching this video until the end so you don't miss out on anything. Hey there, welcome to Smart Mentor, your favorite place to increase your knowledge. Mindfulness meditation is a type of meditation that is specifically practiced as a form of mental training. There are many different ways to do meditation, but all involve focusing on the present moment and being aware of your thoughts and feelings. Mindfulness meditation can be helpful for reducing stress, improving mood, and treating anxiety and depression. Research has also shown that mindfulness meditation can improve cognitive function and help protect against age-related cognitive decline. If you're interested in trying mindfulness meditation, here are a few tips to get started. But before we start, hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell, so you can continue increasing your knowledge in an easy and entertaining way. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section, and I'll answer them as quickly as possible. Number 1. Find a quiet place where you can relax without interruption. Relaxation is an important part of mindfulness meditation. When you find a quiet place where you can relax without interruption, you give your body and mind a chance to recharge. This can help reduce stress, improve your mood, and increase your overall well-being. There are many different ways to relax, so experiment until you find what works best for you. One option is to sit in a comfortable position and focus on your breathing. Slowly inhale and exhale, letting your muscles relax as you do. You can also try progressive muscle relaxation, which involves tensing and relaxing each muscle group in your body. Number 2. Sit or recline in a comfortable position with your eyes closed. It is important to find a comfortable position when conducting this exercise. You may sit upright in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or you may recline on a couch or bed. Your eyes should be closed throughout the exercise. Number 3. Focus your attention on your breath and the sensation of breathing. When you focus your attention on your breath, you are getting in touch with the most basic functions of your body. Breathing is something that we do automatically, without really thinking about it. But when we focus our attention on our breath, we can begin to appreciate the simple act of breathing and the sensations that come with it. For example, you may notice the coolness of the air as it enters your nose, the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe, or the warmth of the air as it exits your mouth. By focusing your attention on these sensations, you can begin to experience a sense of calm and relaxation. In addition, concentrating on your breath can also help to clear your mind and allow you to focus on the present moment. If you want to know more, stay tuned until the end of the video, because we have much more useful information that will help you achieve your goals easily and effectively. Number 4. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. One of the most fundamental practices in mindfulness is to focus on your breath. Whenever you notice your mind has wandered, simply bring your attention back to your breath. This may seem easy, but it can be surprisingly difficult to do. Your mind is designed to wander, and it can take a lot of practice to train it to focus. However, the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Just like any muscle, the more you use your attention muscle, the stronger it gets. So keep at it, and eventually, you'll find that you're able to maintain focus for longer and longer periods of time. Number 5. Continue for 5 to 15 minutes or longer if you wish. Once you have established regular meditation practice, you may find that 5 to 15 minutes is not enough time to really feel the benefits. If this is the case, you can continue meditating for as long as you like. There is no right or wrong answer when it comes to how long to meditate. Some people find that they need to meditate for an hour or more in order to feel calm and relaxed, while others only need a few minutes. The important thing is to listen to your body and do what feels right for you. If you find yourself getting restless during meditation, it is perfectly fine to get up and move around for a few minutes before sitting down again. Remember, the goal of meditation is to cultivate inner peace, not to force yourself to stay in one place. Make sure to leave a like on this video and hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Now, to continue your personal growth, I recommend you watch these videos here. Thank you so much for watching.